Dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see, sorry, there was a problem with your request, so how you can fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to, if you use cellular data, you just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.